Hi all, Jade here from Red Rock Brewery. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fantastic mulled ale using our Hoppy Crimbo Red Rock ales and 6 very easy and simple ingredients that anyone can find on a supermarket shelf. This is a perfect and simple recipe to impress your friends or of course to use in any Christmas celebration or party this season. All you need are the following: honey, nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, 2 oranges, and of course the main ingredients, 2 Hoppy Crimbo Red Rock ales. All of the ingredients are listed below. Now we're going to start preparing our ingredients. First, we need 4 slices of ginger. We pour boiling water over the oranges to ensure all germs, pesticides, and of course the wax is removed from the oranges. Next, we're going to slice the orange to add that zesty taste to your mulled ale. Now grate 1/4 of a whole nutmeg. Now we're going to start pouring all of our ingredients into the pan. Now for the honey, we'll simply add 1 tablespoon for each bottle of beer. Mix all of your ingredients into a pan and let simmer for 10 minutes, but please remember not to boil. Remove the orange slices into a bowl to avoid any unnecessary spillage. Use a sieve to separate the ingredients from the ale. You can use any household glass, but my personal favourite, a latte glass, to finish the look off. And for an extra burst of flavour, add your slices of orange to really finish